This is the Model X True Android Smartwatch. It's got Android 9.1, 4 gigabytes of RAM, and 128 gigabytes of storage. You could hook this thing up and use it as a thumb drive if you wanted to. Lots of controls, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, cellular. Yep, with the GSM network, T-Mobile, AT&T, its own SIM card in here, just like a cell phone. Location services, brightness. You got the system mode set for 4G, or you can switch to sports mode for long battery life. You also can clean up the apps if you want to. From the watch face itself, you slide over. Any messages sent to you from the phone will show up here. You get your daily step count, calories burned, distance traveled information, a music player that plays nice and loud. Oh yeah, you can slide one more and get the weather in your area as well. Sliding to the left from here, you get all of your different apps, your phone, contacts, SMS, and settings. Look at this, you got heart rate, blood oxygen, sleep time, and breath training for biometrics in an Android watch. And of course, everything else, browsers, your cameras. You got 2 cameras, a 5 megapixel here and a 13 megapixel side camera. Recorders, file managers, optimization, and did I mention the Play Store? You can download any Android apps you want to on this one. Google Maps is in here. Slide one more, you have all the different activities that you can put in here, and you do have GPS and GLONASS on the watch, so you can track your run as well. It's a really nice design. Unlike any Android watches we've seen before, you have a variety of different watch faces, press and hold. Even animated watch faces are supported on this watch. It's definitely something to check out. You've got interesting back design, waterproof, 2 buttons, 2 cameras. What more can I say? It's the Model X. Check it out.